Yes, y'all, it's a cheesecake. It's a no-bake cheesecake with an extra twist, and I'll show that to you at the end. You'll be surprised. You're going to take your graham cracker crumbs, salted butter, cream cheese, whipping cream, use the heavy, vanilla, sugar, and strawberries. You're going to take the graham cracker crumbs and the melted butter. Use a hand mixer and just mix that up, set it aside. Get your 9-inch pie pan and pour those crumbs into that pie pan. Flatten it out and just form it real good. You're going to take another bowl. You're going to add your heavy cream, vanilla, incorporate that until it becomes kind of stiff. Then you're going to add to that same bowl sugar, your diced strawberries. And here is the surprise. Take you some lemon zest and put in that also. Wow, you'll be amazed. Blend that up really good, and then you're going to pour that into that pie pan, flatten it out, make it look delicious, and then you're going to put that in the refrigerator overnight and let me know what you think.